In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your iPhone's name on iOS 17. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, scroll down a bit and tap at General. After that, get into About, and then towards the very top we can easily find Name option and the current name of our device. If we get into it, we'll be able to change it. We can delete the existing one and then we can enter new one. We can use any letters, any numbers, even emojis. And then to save it, just tap at that button to go back to About. As you can see, my iPhone's name has just been changed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.